Hi guys. Okay, so today is one of those grandma wins kind of day. So I grabbed this really adorable Cooler Concepts penguin electric snow cone machine for my two grandsons. And we're trying it out for the very first time here. So this is a real honest first impression, guys. First of all, look at these adorable little snow cone cups. These penguins are adorable on here. I'm really excited to get it set up on the counter because I think it's going to look really cute, and it basically will feel like it's turning my kitchen into a tiny little carnival stand. And if you're a grandma like me, you know that anything that feels like an event automatically becomes a memory. Now here's the part that I really like, and I just thought I'd point this out. You do not need special ice molds, and you do not need pre-freezed big ice blocks. This is one that is designed to work with regular ice cubes straight from your freezer. So I love these details. It has suction cup feet on the bottom, so once you press it down, it stays planted on the counter. That's really helpful because when kids are excited, everything gets a little enthusiastic. So I like that it's designed to stay put. And I also like that it's compact because I don't want a huge gadget I can't store. It's really small and easy to put on a little shelf somewhere. This is one of those things that you can pull out for summer, use it a ton, and then tuck it away in the winter, and when you're done. I guess you could pull it out in the winter too. We probably will be. Okay, and then here are the ice cubes. We're gonna dump those in the top, and it really only takes about a half a cup of ice cubes, which is the perfect amount. And then that twist to start lid is actually a really nice family-friendly feature because the machine won't run unless the lid is secured. So it feels a lot more kid-safe for little hands being nearby. And if they, are a little bit, 10-ish, 11-ish, they can use it themselves, obviously with a grown-up supervision, but still, I appreciate that design. So we set it all up, and I'm thinking, okay, we'll make each boy one snow cone. Nope. I ended up making them 3 snow cone slushies each. 3. And they were standing there like I was running a full-service snow cone shop in my kitchen, which I was okay with. It was fun. Laughing, asking for more, picking flavors. It was a whole thing. We ended up adding juice to ours. You can do mixes. You can do specialty mixes you can order. I liked the natural juice version. The shaved ice itself comes out really soft and snow-like, more like that fluffy classic snow cone texture, not chunky. And it's fast. It's an electric motor, so you're not standing there cranking manually, with a handle and wearing yourself out. This is very much, let's do this, make a few, keep the party moving. And speaking of parties, this is perfect tool for pool days, birthday parties, barbecues, or even just hot afternoons where everyone is a little restless and you need something fun to do that doesn't involve a TV screen. So overall, first try verdict, my grandsons were obsessed. I was laughing the whole time, and it made a simple day at home feel like a mini celebration. And I just really love anything that helps me create those hanging out with grandma days that'll actually be remembered. Home sweet home tip. Keep a couple of better for you juice options on hand in the fridge during summer. Because when the heat hits, you can turn an ordinary afternoon into a fun little snow cone moment in about 2 minutes. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, and no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.